for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a what I got for Christmas 2019. I'm so excited. I love these videos. Christmas is my favorite holiday. Even though it didn't feel like it was Christmas time this year, like I literally had a week and a half of school between Thanksgiving and Christmas break, which doesn't, like, I can't comprehend that. I've talked about this before, but it doesn't feel like 2020 is right around the corner. That's crazy to me. But I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas. In this video, I'm not trying to brag at all. I just love to watch his videos, and a lot of you really like when I film these, like my one last year. A lot of you guys love this video, so that's what I'm doing again this year. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started. So if you guys don't know this, my parents are divorced and I live with my mom. So this is everything I got from my mom and some of my friends here. I still have to go and do my dad's Christmas, and I have a couple more friends I have to do gifts with. So if you guys would like a part 2, let me know down below, because I'd be more than happy to do that for you guys. But we are just going to start with my stocking. This is my stocking. She really cute 2 face masks, nail files, super cute bubble bar. I'm very excited to use that. Bath salts, makeup wipes, and a bath bomb. 2 of my mom's friends got me a gift. So the first one got me an Amazon gift card, which I already spent actually, but it came in this really cute little bag, which I just thought was adorable. And then this is the other really cute bag, and in here I got some little hair elastics, and I got another bath bomb. So thank you so much for gifting me these. I doubt either of you are watching, but thank you. The next person who got me things is my best friend Anna. She actually got me this hat I'm wearing right now, and she got me a phone case, but it's on my phone right now, so I can't really show you that. And then she also got me this super duper cute skirt, which I'm so excited to wear. I think it's gonna be so cute. Her and I were actually talking about like how excited we are for like summer outfits, and I told her I've been wanting like a black denim skirt, and so she got me this, and I'm so excited. So thank you so much, Anna. I love you to the moon and back. The next person who got me things is my boyfriend. So the first thing he got me is in this little bag. He just got me some silver hoops, and you guys know I wear hoops basically every day. I have itty bitty ones in today, but I love hoop earrings. He also got me this red Champion hoodie, and I love Champion and hoodies, and my favorite color is red, so he did a very good job with this. The last thing he got me is this. So I can't believe he got me this, but he got me red Fila's. I sent him a picture of these, and he got them, and they're so beautiful. Like, they're gorgeous. They look so cute on, and I'm so excited because I can wear these and my red hat and my red Champion hoodie with like black ripped jeans, and it would look so cute. So I'm very excited. He also got me a really cute black hat with like a little ball on it, like a little fluff, and I've already worn it so many times. So thank you so much. I love all my presents, and I appreciate all of them, and I appreciate you very much. So I just found the hat that he got me because it was in the bag of stuff his mom got me. I put it in there, but this is what the hat looks like, and it's super cute, and it's really warm and very soft. But then his mom also got me some things, and she's so sweet. I am so excited. But she got me this little set from Bath and Body Works, and it comes with a mini spray, lotion, and a hand sanitizer. And then she got me some makeup wipes, which are definitely gonna come in handy. I need so many makeup wipes. I literally go through so many. Like, I can't wait to take off this Christmas beat. Like, it's been on for so long. She got me these super cute fuzzy socks that are so soft. Like, these are the softest things ever, and they're adorable, so I cannot wait to wear those. She got me Christmas gummy bears, which I can't wait to eat these. I love gummy bears. I actually might eat these right after I get done filming this because they sound really good right now. And then in the bag, there's also some like Hershey Kisses at the bottom, but I don't want to give those all out. So thank you so much for all of these gifts. The last person who got me things is my mom, and my siblings also all got me like each a gift. So my mom got me this super cute flannel that I actually picked out, but it's super cute, and I can't wait to like wear this over like a hoodie or a crop top. I think that's gonna look really cute. And then she just got me a plain black pair of leggings because you can't have too many leggings. Like, I get holes in my leggings all the time. Then I have like some of my smaller gifts from her, but first I just want to show you one of the things that my sister got me. She got me this super duper cute scrunchie, and I love cheetah print, and I wear scrunchies all the time, and I think this is gonna look so cute in my hair with a little bow on it. So thank you so much, I love you. But then what my mom got me is she got me 2 seasons of Friends on DVD. She got me season 1 and 10 because that's what they had. That's all they had in stores. And I actually picked out most of the stuff I got from her, but I'm super happy. And then I also have the new Spider-Man Far From Home movie. Spider-Man is my favorite of all Marvel characters. Spider-Man and Iron Man are my 2 favorites. She also got me a lightning charger for my phone. It's super cute, it's gold. I can't wait to use that. And then my main gift, which I cannot believe I actually have these, like, that's crazy, but she got me AirPods. I've wanted these for a year now. My brother got them for Christmas last year, and I asked to borrow them all the time. So I have a pair now, and I know so many people have these, and like, these are the older ones, but I don't like the pros. Like, 1, they're way more expensive, and 2, the like little ear like rubbers, I don't like that. That's so weird. So I've already used them when I was doing my makeup. I used them, and they're so handy, and they are so loud, and I love them so much. So thank you so much. Everything else I got is makeup related. I put all of it in this box, and there's so much in here. But my little brother got me this set of really cute makeup brushes. They are so cute, and they actually look really soft, and I'm super excited to try these. Then my sister also got me this foundation, and this is the Burt's Bees Goddess Glow foundation. So I'm so excited to try this out. I was gonna try it today, but I wanted to use my Anastasia and my Fenty foundations just because those are my 2 favorites. So then everything else my mom bought me. So she got me the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This was on my list. I ran out of this a few months ago, and it's the best setting spray ever. You need to get this if you don't already have it. I recommend. She got me the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. I'm so excited. I used it today, and it's so beautiful. It's so blinding. Like, it's so stunning. Like, just look at that. Like, that's gorgeous. Then this, I'm like, ugh. She got me the Jaclyn Hill Loose Highlighter in the shade Extra. I also used this today, like, just right on the cheekbone, and it's stunning. Like, it's so blinding, and it's just everything I could have ever asked for. And the packaging is just so luxurious and beautiful. Like, look at that. That is so beautiful, and I love it. And I love Jaclyn Hill. The next thing she got me was the ABH liquid eyeliner. This was also on my list. Basically everything in this box was on my list, so I got this. I'm so excited to try it. I love to wear wings. I think they look super cute on me, so I wear them all the time. And I just really wanted to try that eyeliner. You guys know the Urban Decay Perversion is my all-time favorite eyeliner, but I've heard super good things about that one, so I'm so excited to try it. Next is the ABH Loose Setting Powder. I got the shade Translucent, and this powder is so big. Like, why? Why is it that big? I will never run out of this, ever. And I tried it today as well. Like, I tried basically everything in this box today, and I love all of it. It all just, like, my makeup looks super nice. It stayed in place. I've had this makeup on for a very long time, so I love all these products already. Next is the ABH eye primer. I just got a mini one because I want to make sure I like it before I get a big one, but I used it today. I liked it. I've heard it's a lot like P. Louise, so I think that's really cool. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my what I got for Christmas video. I love all of my gifts so much, and I am so very grateful. And I just want to say thank you one last time to everyone who got me something. Also, like I said, if you would like to see a part 2, let me know down below. I'll be more than happy to film that. And I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas and got everything you could have wished for. I love you all to the moon and back. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And I will see you beautiful people next time. Bye guys!